Hello, guys. Welcome back to Africa Lifestyle Family. If you're new here, subscribe so you do not miss any of these amazing recipes, guys. So, in today's video, I will be showing you how to make soft and zesty mandazis at the comfort of your home, guys. So, stay so you can learn how to make mandazis and watch till the end. We are using five simple ingredients, guys. So for these mandazis, you need self-rising flours, which is 4 cups. The reason why I am using self-rising flour is so that I skip the part of adding the baking soda. And then you also need eggs. This is an optional step as well. You do not have to use the eggs when you make your own. If you're allergic to eggs or for whatever reason you cannot access the egg, you don't need to use that. You also need 1 tablespoon of sugar, and this is for taste, guys. And then lemon zest, and this is my favorite part. It makes your mandazi taste so sweet and amazing and aromatic from the time you fry. From the time you serve, it helps brings that yellow rich color in your mandazis, guys. And finally, you also need the warm water. So in a large bowl, you put your 4 cups of flour in there and then you mix that together. And then you add in your tablespoon of sugar and mix it well. So, of course, we are going in starting from the dry to wet ingredients. And the next thing you will do is to zest your lemon using a crater into your self-rising flour mixture, and then you also mix that well and evenly to create, because this will allow your mandazis to be soft and fluffy, and it will also make it very, very tasty, guys. Your next thing is to now break your eggs, and you add your eggs into your mixture and mix that in together nicely and evenly. The next step is to add your melted butter, and you can use Blue Band on this step if you have. And I am using unsalted butter because, you know, the self-rising flour already has the salt in it, and I do not want to make my mandazis more salty, guys. After you add your melted butter, you're going to mix that well and evenly as well until you create this mixture you see here, guys. Thereafter, now you begin to add your warm water in small bits while mixing the dough together, guys. You will continue to knead, and the goal here is to get a soft dough. So we will knead and knead and knead until we obtain that soft, non-sticky dough that will ensure that we get very soft mandazis in the end, guys. Continue working your dough until it's smooth, like a baby's cheek, guys. If it's too sticky, you may need to add a little more flour bit by bit. And then if it is too soft, if it is too hard, then you need to add a little bit more water. Okay, after that, guys, continue to knead. You knead for about 5 minutes, and then you cover with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest for about at least 30 minutes. While your dough rests, I want to say a huge welcome to all my new subscribers, and leave a comment section down below on my recent pilau video. Now, when it's been 30 minutes, time to now roll and cut our mandazis to small pieces. What we will do next, or what you need to remember, is if you roll your dough too thick, the inside of your mandazis will not will be raw and it will not cook well. Also, if you roll it too thin, then you might be making some chips, guys. Just kidding. So you notice that the natural yellow tint is already showing in the dough itself, and that was my goal, guys. I like that. So you roll it, you split your dough into four equal pieces, and then we begin to work on one at a time. Roll that out in a smooth surface, and then I will cut it into four equal halves, and this gives me 8 mandazis, 8 rectangular mandazis, guys. There are several ways you can cut your mandazis. You can cut them in round shapes. If you like rectangles, you can do that. But for today's purposes or today's video, I'm cutting mine in rectangular shape. If you've tried making mandazis and you struggle with making them, let me know in the comment section and I'll try to help you or to troubleshoot that for you. Now, when it comes to frying the mandazis, we want to put the oil to medium heat. We're using the medium so that the oil is not too hot and it's not too cold. And then now when it comes to frying, no rush, guys. You don't want your mandazi cooking in less than 5 seconds because the inside will not be ready. So guys, we are frying our mandazis. We are taking our best time to do this. And look at that. And I'm telling you, this smells so, so good. And this is the main secret for the lemon. Guys, I hope you are going to try this at your home and let me know on the comment section how you do with this one. So after we fried, now this is my mandazis, and look at that, guys. Look at how sweet and how nice this mandazi look, guys. From the color to the smell and to the taste. Yes, guys, I enjoyed my mandazi with a glass of juice. And yes, guys, mandazis can be enjoyed at any time. For breakfast, you can have it for lunch, and you can have it for dinner as well. And yes, guys, check out my other recipes so that you can learn how to make something, guys. Thank you for watching, and yes, guys, subscribe to America Lifestyle Family for more authentic recipes. I'll see you on my next one. Thank you.